What's up guys? Welcome to Badudina channel. Today I'm gonna talk about my work from home experience, discoveries and productivity tips. So if you're interested, please continue watching this video and hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm. I've been working from home for about 2 years and it didn't come easy to me. Sometimes I also get distracted by doing laundry or some other home tasks, but I found my way to stay productive and get things done while working from home. So my tip number 1: have a dedicated workspace. Ideally, it should be a separate room with a desk where nothing will distract you. I know we all imagine ourselves working from home as staying in your bed all day long in your pajamas, working from your laptop. Unfortunately, things don't always work this way. My tip number 2: connect your laptop to a display and buy a laptop stand. It is really important to keep an eye on your posture, and it will also prevent you from having a neck pain eventually. So invest some money and do your research to get a good quality laptop stand. I'll leave a link below this video to my favorite laptop stand. Make sure to check it out because it's also really in a budget. My tip number 3: get a good and comfortable chair and make sure to spend some time to properly set it up. Make sure that your lower back is supported and adjusted to the height that you need. Bluetooth headphones is a must-have when you're working from home. And it doesn't matter if you're staying at home just by yourself or if you have family members, roommates, or maybe even kids. So Bluetooth headphones will keep you flexible in your movements, but will also help you to concentrate. And if you're just staying at home by yourself, staying in silence not as the best and the most productive way. So make sure to find and prepare some really good playlists that you enjoy that would respond to different moods. Next tip is to get your Wi-Fi in order. And you really need to invest some time and research this topic. Maybe ask your friends to help you to do that, or call a technician. But set up your Wi-Fi, make sure that all your devices connected to 5G network, and it will not also increase the speed of the internet itself, but it also help you concentrate it as you will not be distracted while waiting for something to upload. Properly set up all the software you need for online meetings. Because you do not have a usual way to communicate with your colleagues and teammates, it is really important to have alternative ways through Zoom, maybe Slack, maybe your company uses some other communication channels, maybe there are even some internal channels, but spend some time to properly set up all the software that you may need to discuss your idea, get things done, do maybe stand-ups, and discuss things as you go through the tasks. Tip number 7: prepare your workspace with all the items you usually need at work. If usually at work you may need a stylus or maybe a piece of paper just to write down your notes, make sure that you have it at your desk so you don't have to get distracted and run all over your place when you suddenly need this item. Tip number 8: bring water, coffee and snacks to your home office. It is really important to stay hydrated during the day, and sometimes people who work from home unfortunately forget to eat. Maybe as simple as that. So make sure that you have everything that you need, that you probably used to have at office. Ask your family or roommates to do not disturb you during office hours. It may sound obvious, but believe me, you really need to specify that just because they used to see you at home always available to them. Explain them that you're working even though you're staying at home. Maybe even put a do not disturb sign or sticker on your door. Tip number 10. Dress up the way you would to office. Don't work in your pajamas just because nobody sees you. Somehow the way you dress up affects you psychologically and influences your productivity level. The last but not the least, know when you're done with the work for the day. It is more difficult than you think to switch from at work mode to at home mode. So make sure to close the door to your home office and spend some quality time on things that are important to you. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I shared with you my productivity tips. Now let's help each other and comment below what keeps you productive and concentrated while working at home. I continue traveling and managing my business, so make sure to subscribe to this channel to learn more about my experience and insights about starting business in the United States. See ya!